Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing the Holy Panda V2 switches that I purchased from AliExpress for $14, and I plan on using it on a GMK87 build, which I also made an unboxing video of the keyboard. I'm currently experimenting with different keyboards and switches, so what are your thoughts on the Holy Pandas, or are there any other switches that you guys would recommend? Let me know in the comments.